Honey, we got a letter. Dear Mom and Dad, I know it's been a while. I'm writing to let you know that I won't be coming home.
What?
After years of neglect from you both, never scheduling cleanings, never checking on my condenser coils, making me beg for Freon on those hot days and the long winter nights. I know now that I deserve more out of this life. So I've set out to find my real purpose. Because this life is too short to be an afterthought for those you take care of. Goodbye for now, Mom and Dad. Love, AC.